Yes, so I'm staying in the hotel. So, brothers and sisters, yes, so I got all the information. Chief Esogban paid somebody money to humiliate social media president because of the wife lived in Berlin. They said the wife, during my fighting of human trafficking, and I heard that the wife was caught by the police in Berlin, German police, then arise about the human trafficking. So since then, Chief Esogban have been angry about me. I never knew. He was the first person to raise the alarm that very day, which I accused him that I am innocent of what you are saying. To cut it short, I used that annoyance and left the palace. It occurred to me that when Tony took me to the palace, and I found out that Esogban was still there. He was the one that held the video. He was the only chief that was still there that very day. Now I knew that it was a planned case. They said somebody that insult the Oba about Tokbe, he said, it's my papa, it's my father. The normal respect I will still give for the rest of my life is our Oba of Benin. So I found out that when I saw Esogban there pointing eyes on me, that yes, you are here. Thank you, Tony. Then and I know that yes, I was sitting nearby in the car. Then I know that yes, this case was a planned case. In fact, if it is not, I believe our Oba is the Oba of the Supreme. He is supposed to summon me and ask me questions. What happened? I have fight for the Edos. If it is the only human trafficking that I fight, is enough for me to be honored in the whole Edo entire. But because of many souls have involved in trafficking in Benin City, many of them is annoyed of me. I never worried because the light of God is the supreme all over the world. Nobody is above God. No matter what happens in this world, life goes on. Esogban is supposed to know that I was not the one that involved her wife into the hand of the police in Germany. No one can come out today and say, yes, Eddie Murphy have arrested me when I was in Germany, reported me to police, or all over the Europe. What I normally do, I send my police in Nigeria to bring that native doctor to arrest them, to stop them, for them not to be using our guests like a slave. I know nobody's above the Lord, because when I found out the way our sisters are being humiliated by this native daughter and also called Madam. This is the reason why I bring this topic out, that human trafficking must stop and Shentro must stop. Brothers and sisters, I know what has happened to me. It pains a lot of people, especially many women all over the world. Just take it as if nothing has happened to me. I use my body as an example to the whole world that if you have anything, if you have any evil against no one, anything that the word said, do it. Well, fear no conscience, fear no accusation. Life goes on. The power in me is above those people that said, yes, they want to humiliate my enemy. No one can bring me down. You can call and say, yes, Eddie Murphy is not going to do live video anymore. Eddie Murphy will still remain a man of the Father, a man of the universe, a man that no souls can destroy. I still maintain it. Human trafficking must stop. I still maintain it. Shentro must stop. No matter the humiliation that the Esogban, Chief Esogban, who has a wife in Berlin, Chief Esogban, that is the only thing you can do in your life. That is the end that you can do. I have known everything because I said, I always tell the people that yes, my heart is from God. My life is from God. No one can destroy me. I'm still here in the hotel. Many people have that thought and said, yes, Eddie Murphy is out from the hotel of Tony Kabaka. Why? I remain here. But in a situation where no one can trust in this world, no more children can trust in this world, no more brother can trust in this world, or father or mothers, remain yourself. Because the life is so easy. Life doesn't have duplicates. Once it goes, it goes. But no atrocity, rather cause juju, can kill me. No. Because why? The day I was born, I never said that all those artists can bring me down. They can only shake my mind that yes, if I have known, if not the trust I have for Tony, the Oba of Benin is supposed to send for me, then I will be there. But the trust I have for Tony Kabaka, I said, he is there. I said, he Lord to me, let me go forward to see. Because he said that we are going to palace. We just want to make some videos to tell the world that yes, nobody has drove me from the palace. That nobody can do that except the Oba. And nobody can tell that I am the enemy of the Oba except the Oba of Benin. They have the final say. Then with that mind, I drove with him on his own motor, on his own car to the palace, not knowing that Chief Esogban have paid a lot of money to bring me down. He's going to bring himself down, not me. If it is so that what my heart have seen this night, because This man that is here, I always say that yes, I have body that always tell me the truth, that always find what is happening in the world. He has found out, tell me that yes, people set me up, not our Oba Tokbe. He said, with that power and that privilege, I still respect the kingdom. I still respect that our Oba doesn't have a hand that what so many people have just did yesterday. It was a form of a gang. It was a form of kidnap. It was a form of harassment. Look at it, I'm still in the hotel. These are the medicines that I sell. I'm still in the hotel. Brothers and sisters, this is my cap yesterday. Brothers and sisters, I use this medium to tell every woman outside there that nobody can bring me down or nobody can say, don't fight for the woman. Even though in the point of death, I will still have to stand up and fight for the woman. Women must be free. Women must be respected. And no more human trafficking. My God have also told me that anybody that tried to bring me down, he will fight for me. He will surely fight for me. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. God bless the Edo people. God bless everyone that always said, yes, I have not done wrong. Many people call themselves that live in Benin. They have done many atrocities in this world, but they were not being humiliated like the way they plan their gang to humiliate me. I'm not afraid of anyone because death is the only thing that you can be afraid of. Even though you are dead, but your spirit have to fight for you. When they crucified Jesus Christ because of the truth, he rise up again and come to the world and said, yes, you judge me for nothing. You crucified me for nothing. But my soul goes to God. Up till today, Jesus Christ is still living within our hearts. Up till now, Jesus Christ is still alive forever and ever. Nothing can change him. A man that took his own heart and said, yes, I want to fight for the Benin. I want to see how our women being treated like a gold, being treated like a diamond. But because of the atrocity and the setback of some men that were involved in trafficking, that said they are women to involve in trafficking because they want to get quick money. They want to build mansions. So you now said, Chief Esogban, because your wife was being arrested by the German police, you use that. If it is a lie, let Chief Esogban send me to the palace again and let both of us swear. Because my spirit have told me, Chief Esogban, you were behind the case that I was being brought up to the palace yesterday. If not so, we have many chiefs that is even better than you, richer than you? Why is it when I was there in the palace, then you were still waiting for me to see it was just a planned case? There I knew that Oba Ovurame have said it, that no word, no sanction, no truth, no unity can stand for the Edo people. If we have what we call unity, I believe the humiliation that you youth have humiliated yourself, I don't think it would have been necessary for you bringing a man that fight for the Oba. A man that fight, then the Oba stood up and said, yes, it is a true. And it's going to be an end that no more human trafficking. Oba Tokpe, for giving me that privilege. The Oba of Benin, our father, the king of the king. I'm so proud to call, no matter what you people did, to embarrass me, to bring me down, but the Lord that found the destination where I'm going to, the Lord has set me free from the harassment, is still going to stand for me. Oba Tokpe, he said, if you are doing Mose, why have wa narehia wa wotu wa wimi igbina no wiwa na mai bie igbina no mo na bie ne human trafficking ihe ogedo ya no human trafficking use ogedo ya no wa igbina ni gbina erima oba kedo ladia do mu fana digiti yowe yes e course ni kedo aro why we emon wa my beer why have we a beer 200 years or at the end of this a year long time ago mana ni wedag mona ma ge na very mana we dogia nya we pane but e meju mata fikini o maro video but o risagima ona do hien e move an wa o keke na gbini na gbina yemono de yoto we omakeke ni mo ya kin gbia hotebu na ya yawu yin we is nave ni amagwalo o tetu agbe obi pia de obiku we amamiarun pano ladia kege ni gade do gbinigbina na ewa na wuya we jobo ijoku ogedima Obama esoma ladia ya idegyo mono ladia esona iga mo we ana iga gbove ana iga gbale no we ana ya gewe egeno ya riedo aga mu go na yutu na ya humiliate na ya bring her down. Oma bring him down. Ebony tie no de edegbene. Deti gele we wagiti abiye ya yori. Deti gele we nuwa akizumeba ya abiye ya yori. Ya we tubo mejo we ari ring road ya we a live video adisonobo we ring road. Wa mieme wa fimemi wa gbe won ni we yes bu wa wuyi. Ndawe erimane wai ara gbon ani bogin da imasi you wagbe but of you one of the emonu wa bie na do taiwe human trafficking o ma ne dote ka aje account we do ga we human trafficking ma paladian why do we ebonu wa ya me 20 erimareva edoma omolopa ma papa won wa ya me 20 bo igbina ni gbina baba ogogo yo edo gogo yo wana do sell me wa do mi ewe e mo gidi yen ni da we agbona okeke ni mayafe na mudia odemeta no saloba mudia yi eyan ya mudia yi han ike yawo odemeta no saloba mudia yi okon ne ope akai we bayon denari e pan da odemeta okeke no pe amudia yi weto buwe na okaso no wedona yi ọmọ avon baba awoni eke lajan wupo wa ni keka imoto na gbe àwọn avon baba no ya voni ona wu do woni to usun wa no himawe abi ju waso ni akawi kazen ya senu yi ni ya bumbe na biome yin no sunu egwa ọmọ avon baba gbonse edegbe we no wait 3 months wa wuwe eboni han no we no wukpe a wa wuwe eboni han no udawe o mama we mi odo edami odo e cassette ni wa we ya pe hia watubu wa ga ewe amamege na ya finugie obimawo amamege na ya finugie edowo o na ya zan egwa ero abiome nati lamogu egbe lamogu kere owi edo sesese ekendo ayako me emi ya magbona omegoi eka wofune we awofune we have do gewe osegbe e ma gbona no wuye won tako ma wo wa no ragbon otima no do I governor we de na eri kata eri rakawe we mi eri rakawe wono na eri ona rakawe wono na ami na gbon talele won but de na wo osalobo arwe redini ne nyogile governor mi opa na ya si obegogo yeke iviedu agbona segbe no wa yeke na menagbo yeke no vena kawe enu dawe amowo kan de human trafficking ra amion we gesi no me no ga gbovoma egede imnuko uroi maro won wana waro wa yore waro wa loye ibako aro ose ni bako nagai the president of Edo movie ibako aro walao emi kemi ya no risunu dakpe adaku igwegbe odigwegbe eya menogwana medege emi no asunu boti we ni do dege ewe de metagele no we hon agele aje gawe do ahion wa no ma eri atawe wo salobua e Jesus Christ ogima on no hion wo ona kawu before salobua kewu ogari ogele aje mina ni mina wetin adokin me bene juda di karate yawu oga mase anybody no wunye hime ariana ya fiari yawe oga gele igeri oga no udawe imina meto himame ogele aeri oga no udawe osalobu ata yuto newe owo wani ri ba na wani magbari ba yi o ka ya hime owa gwa baba dani ahin nyewani ahia na wezegie gege wegba rule ahia ona ogito obaba ode chige egeno igile ya bi yoko ni dewo o salobo na gie ona gie na we Samuel na diopia ona fi yoko ni na fi pa ho e baba na we o ama wo na gbina data wo na gbina iyan pa kan ti khen iyan pa kan ti khen e wo ya ama wo na gbina hello hello ya koyo yo emi yama Wesi my brother, well, Daniel, my brother, Amami Baba wow, first and foremost, Oba Tokbe. Amami Adam Yonia is Amami Baba wow. Amavi the year me, we explain my waropa. Egwan. Where I give video ni. Amagi megwan. Ma wuti awite mopa. Oye na. Ibabata and said your naga gidi bribe. Naga igbe ma kuku, but when ya yijewa, e masova, igo, magyo ma temeta, magbon. Meti mudia udeni my bro baba, udeni do mudia yi, meno salobo yari agbon e yari. Aden, okoni do kon, ti akon ti ami bobo. But to boa with dege, e cassette ni, Wini ya agwa yo chi. Wina do ya yivosi ni. Oda ibigbo. No we woni. Odo pe na ni yo. O ibi edoso ni we mo we ba meji ma trafficking. Odo pe na ni ladian. O si e. Me no gbina me we be no we Amagun egwagwan erame amagun egwagwan ojonwe o madani amagun egwagwan Emita dameo baba dameo baba dameo ojonwe o madao. The fact is that onyate gunwe gun yam ebiado makoni gun ebe ebiado ejutu ni avio ya keme ne chifesokma ya avio ya keme ba yam gun data weni we boligi ina we even ya woti bawe wageti geleta imati ebonoba abiome ya na chebonobia we na be dame cassette ni imati ebonoba waso imati no ban imati weni yeta even yeta okon na musa palo imati ebonoba awa ama abiome severio a statement of pa be wrong maybe no be wrong igbe imati itaine imati ebone imaweti ebone duma weti atebone awa domo Okay. So, on my team is quoting a dog moment affair. It must be a bonegua, which I tell bonedo. A human trafficking. And I lie like I don't pay lie like a book or lie like a book. A dog me, a can awa, or did away. Again, a yagwale, Ozigwe no go curry. I don't wear Agmona. I saw my own popo. Okaniga atade one. I was a lubana when you might win na do ye. Eho, Ogawani ate fiani, na do ye yo. And I went to Wadomuye. A Judah the carrot, or we kadokise, on a liliapa. A gate to Kiriwu. Osaloba Iragmo with the Nena. No digbina no bina, but he might have any bay. Yada imere. Osaloba upon the bookman, Major Saloba jogging. O Mafi Willie. I saw my own popo. I get a wogan baman. Da where to beware. He really marked by me fancy to call somebody Ogumba. Being a dotai. And they did let doji. He made don't mind by the Mebabon. Okbeati me Ogumba, or what you Ogumba. He might have bono dawe, my vow, my ledo. If no see a Beno Planet Town, where ya waimia, Iwaimia, if now I'm your bar. You know mau yet in your by. Usalubwa or tie where a beno wine. Are you the king of the Jews or we know? Agbo Salubaba. But me my the king of the Jews. Me ma we fi en gedo, me ma we fi en gegwa. En yan. And this one, Fred, ma Philippe, man. When no say mana Philippe, man. Or when no nyan crossay, or mo crossay fin. Or no nyok monojo, or you point. Or no nyan pants in ojo, or joy. A pain no feel. Ya lurungo, biano kono, no set me up. Kamai we, elge, no hiamie, or hianse. Mami Ariano di. Or I wouldn't feel a pain. It was it. Glory be to God. When no more be valadiana, na kwe kukube, Osalobo adebawe. If no do me wa monato asobo. Nda Osalobo akaiwe. Amubugbe. Ni agbin yi. Ogogo kiyen yi. Ebon wa ya meven, o ya me would be popular more and more. O momo maeme, iya mateme, ira mateme, egeme. Wa uwa musa kwa mariwa. Ami live video nane, wade umana video nana imye we, enwu yogwe, ogwe aruwebu. Enu wa ume, adiana ya fiari yavi. Oga no mano gega yiri amana we mano ma gega yiri iri ni ka okai iri dien do kai iri oto na na bieme kai ekene na we vembo o bima ya fe iri ya kai de oi inu ma wa ume ini bitana ri obeji. We have to wa wesi. Imaya not where Igawu Oume, o saloba vieux et diagon ya, o tagmona. Ami wane henzo pombo. Yue, no bi yue, de banobe bi yue. Wati vignari, wani ana agogo. Era, no bira, de banobe be bira. De banobira no pa, wati vignari, wani ana weyi. Wage omara gbon ne yen wu o salobo ari e na gbon ya ni o segbe no e ma gbona e no we emi gbina ma ja ke na ni popo yi iye do ya fe wa wese ke no to me no ma ke no ma to no me o me no ma e live video e ba me mu anya unse Eba mi ya so egogo se. Eba mi ya to ka se. Eba mi ya ka mi bi agbon we ekeni amudi ayi afe agazole ya la dia. No wo ko wo. No we mi dan wo. No fi egogo no ma o. Ke no fi egogo iso. Except me zuk mo bo. Me mana zuk mo bo. Eba gogo kan tu. Awe gogo wo kan tu ne afia mafia kegede. Egogi meme tu afia mafia kegede e ban ya dese. O iga de o adejo o wa we mi le ina tawe no yasunu ya ti ebogun me ebo ni egbe me. Wa wo do bo ya gi won ugbe me mewe mi ese mewe mi no ma we do ton eto Yamese we emi ya no ule kege ni ade iga igata ya atachisie ya we ogebe no ebonu wa we ya me beni bita de meta gele no gbe boni gbe me wa so no gbe me baba oga meta no e do ta magbon una wo ge no eboni ya no we iri he ya ti ebo konwa ni me secret ya ni me secret ya utagbona except imavie igavie security we eyanka muladian every day okoni arimuna imoso mo live video na iwe omana eyan agbon kan denena give na ya bio give no yari agbon e wonu em no ewu go logo ma no lo egbe gitafia no la egbe itane igwale picture muladian we moyo yakoti me oga emeta gele no o manu mame de emeta omo bogbe me that way, it must to be it must to mina, it must to derive no so no, it must to derive no ranwa. No. It's ogma, that's it. Chief is ogma, USA. Momo can be Germany. It is man, no nya do yagi mo arrest of can, we me down of can we Berlin. Police in Amwe, Juma trafficking must stop. Police in Agiarigan, 4 years in Wogby. Mosia your be, Masia your yagbe, Masia your could be. It been an mega gbina, my arrest to Bia, my arrest to who. But he ya too. That we are doing a domu yegani and Agoa. Yana sphere where ye were being my yegan, or book by a car. Ote Nigeria ma ote do wa ewe amu we na lao nyege yi ku vembo iku na ya vembo iku na muria we obo ko we bio ohen we kin ko we bio e chief we kin ko we bio ojon we kin ko bio me no we gwana ko we bio me o se na gbina ni aseverio Oyafewa Wesley. He knew it was a plan and it was a setup and it was a betrayal. Amamu manokpa na yago. Degbe medio gelesunu erima to boy. When I am moniri. yen wori Nigeria wa ya mwere la re na o ya wukin baba giving me ya de iga igumane ya ti ben bo baba meta de na be yimi ana we baba lao baba ye mo pa gbovin wa no weke wa gi ahia o wi wa we no yen o no mo wu yin obo awa ewe video ma we na guana nia baba ma opa ma eva o sie agun ya leru ne baba agun ya leru ne gwa agun ya leru no ba wa awe a foundation of the mu gbono e wa foundation o ya ri ba ne e wa ni ke libiare o atoni maga awe no be ya de ba me gbin ka we human trafficking must stop no to atoni maga awe no be ya ka we yi obo ni do we waruwe human trafficking na ado amunu wa ne na do we wa dinja yan e baba atoni maga idi mi agbona yi we do wa ya fe we se wa we to asan wa we baba even wa ri agwalo o wa su wa bo Ọlọ́run wa igbe imi dani afi ni awon wa doju wevio wa niku obuwa wa son obuwa wa van wa sangbera yi awon won wa buwa ye wa bo oni ezu wa npopo tewebo ndawe wa dobo wa re ti lawa wa ka mo wa ni we wa ye we rile din iku odogbuna na ya wa agbuna nu wa no da beni ya yo wa oweri lu wa tato amen o ma ke kibirio yen wa so ni gbina na wa so we mo gbogbo ma ke ebony a promotion no me ogogo no me so no wa ya we se baba we time wa we hotel okay Tony Kabaka ye wan to re le we yi opa ye hotel le ana na ko ke do adi hotel ye so ma pa wa ni ona o yo pa ali akono la ma wa so kini ji ye o gan pa do ye gan pa ro pa oba to pe ise humiliation ni awon ni ari mi ra nu and 400 you know there if you try to call him a man, call him call you daddy we or you know ba. Daddy we ti we moira. Ona ti we moira now where are you doing him? Ona ti you need to try and call him more. Try no be that going when ani magwa. Ma you need to try and call him. If daddy we ta bungwe. Ma give magwa. It's a very things na agwa. Ma me tell where we am here will do itself. You know where I go so nobody give me a ma loud to daddy with mom. Tie. Ona mame wa gbon. Inu do gwa no na ma no e dagmo we. So any ya ni. Emi ya fe mo gay. Wama. When a courtesy ye Musevaduna, a my being a real guade, now we Nayaji Bembo when you belong. A matter with you don't forget his father. With that, the 18, Mawa forget his father, Lao. They are 19, why not remember? No, now Tari be that forgets his father. Don't I team when not remember. When they told him, okay, I do. So every night I be with VT, when I want me, why my no soon, well, Pia. Na me will river. Or not I where if you met ye, Chime. Where would I know? Man, they mammy no by now would met you. I will bomb my. I want to know boy. I want to know boy. Not when the green binary. I want to know a view boy. A boy in the way we are merry. So ni what time waffle. Or one boy, anyway we are merry. We take a collar. No lano yame. Anyway, do not do green binayo. Or say I will not hear me. Ni what time waffle. When I tell you Emowa. Either to boy you know it me. Where ya lady binayo. No what am any help ni do well. Because only with freedom for attacking. Oh yes, or said we not a mamma lao. Because when you have to marry, you go on a woman. You get the worry. You what a man we menua. Or you may be him. You want to prevent a man. Me ma na me view wa. Wa we ta wo we dem wa. Me that to boy ta ma anywhere. Oh, why boy? But I really want any gwegwe. Not to only I see me. Oh, you know. What am I on any? What am I mean? Why you got the yo? The right men on the area attack where yes. Oh, you met him. On an old year, I will woman. My way back of Koliva, my back of one. Oh, you know. Mao wa mateme ai tugi niyama edunia ma ese nyusi gbe ne ya wefe igata ogia me yiri ote eni abade ebe nenemi efe no wi okan wa we yedo de ti an ligo no efe no ya temeni nani makekwe mao aweli no ma de no ma we no we va de no de mera no migu meo mana ri wa gugu aweri no wa ewe mon we sagi na ya lode eyi sagi na gajo no maera no maeje no mawan o ma be sagi na ya lo de ma neti gbegwe no wa proper ama bi o ani agbegwe o ga we mi tai igbegwe no eya ti kon ko human trafficking don wan gbegwe me show ma la dia we yin mugo me ye na afati human trafficking yin mugo me ero ama be bio do wo no ori go me ni gete me wala dem do ya ben bobayo do ma you we va le ladin ejege we nu ya vonra awa ibe mi on agoyo segenia bini tai almost to say we say ne do I gun egun ahen o ma Eddie Prince Alobo Adebawe gani na gbe video human trafficking we den na you stop dey ni tai wana tie bo me we lawa ima showe baba do ladian ona do tie boyo and o mie we ima bigi bugeze o iwe adeni no wani nyari yene adeni only asowa ayo na yene so any oma agbina ena eri bribe ma bere sunya we na he ni ya na he na ya wa en juma trafficking we ati boyo gari yene ye sunya na he ye egwe juma trafficking gi na egwe no edo azena o ewe edo mo re mu na ewe bu epigi ahanta bitana wewa ni naze pigini wa gibe san ibigbo opion edo na hina iwe edo vi ready mo be human trafficking give an so na ewe bo sunu wa gwalo egbe human trafficking human trafficking people esuwo salobua ogbese na human trafficking afekuwo o ma feko eboro ne igbina analadia egenu na igbina ni are okoro awe disgrace odo we dey an disgrace well medo to ma we yan disgrace me medo to ma we yan disgrace me ma to ma we ni so date to ma wo pa we yan disgrace me disgrace me na yegun ana wa mo yegun ase ya yiwe se wo me oti iwa wege nakata imegbe masona agaga they no disgrace when then they rush me no be me they rush them my account na then they rush me so disgrace I made disgrace wa gbona àwọn no work back and where yi ere wa no ya disgrace yin uye ragmu ye yin uyore wo na ba waje uyore wo na nu atiwejo ime bene aje ya utagmuna ya na disgrace one disgrace me we make me panty the way boy yakwe go to we my jeze the beach there oye panty akwe la so do a dog ebo we no yes eboni titaiwe imati ebo gie edo imawe ti ebo gie gwa corona rituals ewa no imati ebo gie gwa awa iwe ti gie gwa imawe kati gie. That video was true and forward that Amatie Bogegwa. These human traffickers stand and change everything just to bring the enemy down, but they cannot bring me down. ivie ni vie toto ona ivie ni vie la ko ivie change ni ene ma wa yi New York ani maybe o be pari mu na ne but dori no kama we no chime la secretary be no ba me la den ge me kira chime do ma no ba me ivie che wo kan me che wo kan me ma ivie ni vie toto I block you ene ma nu ya ta we edi wife e na block you adia na waria una egbegben ni vie toto yo gbera kori toto opa kan no e ti online Facebook na audio ho no gbeni owe yo ya ti but we nu we waye na block you ene adia na waria we no we re gbe ti gbe mi yo ma MC Epa, go and settle with yourself. They need settle ba. Reward la dem for go and settle with yourself. I will settle with yourself. They know settle with yourself. Why you didn't able why we may say why so why are you school? Go and settle with yourself. We be at you school, my brother. Yeah, we. Chini mawa regbe aye school MC regbe aye school ni yo ni ma yo si block you when and then na wetin we gbe wash you nana me go and settle with yourself. Do not settle with yourself. The Lord is your strength. Egbe na gwalo if you block and we what Egba you and we are blocking because more are coming. A buy program ya no matter kind me buy him. A buy me wa so no teme ademini tie I fear with you. Tai wa no. Ohono wa wi rame, hono wa wi yeme, hono wa yeme. Anything we need tie ya wa tie or tie. Iwe suni wo no de yeze we no de yeze. No we no I don't care. But emeta eyan wa atamabo. Any tide you can if you will. Wa wo ba we ki an ni magba je Donald November ni. Wa nu ana we yes e guy na mudi ase. Emeta no tana o wa gbo o wa mu we ba. So we e cannot. Awon me chi ni do nota ogbebo nya o yan. Ya iwe. Are awe urigo no iwe. Mweko no ku mazenya e ona jewe ni ai wa badon ya owodo wo nya ko ni wa egun arigo do wo nya wo egun eto zaze won ni go ni umo la jania o mana bi picture dia mami no bai picture ya gwalo wa do boss ni we amadi we aseni amadi no rewa una amadi no re Facebook ona izeti we pa won ka nyoka yen na gwana so why ya gwalo wani but why mo picture la dia egege no ami wani muri awe pa mo picture la dia so these are the way na ya to get on na mami no buy so wa quote me wrong egbo na mi amaka me yo iba Facebook ya nyon na kami ndawe okpi ano gbina neri ma go ba we na ladia ba to pe ise ona do mo stop yo eyin ate oni humiliate ba me ese ni unedo e ba me we yes e me ni ata we umaku gbenedo eri ogele no ba me wadu en go magele ku gbenedo okun ni hien kekan e wa no emu egbera e wa no emi ogogowo except no ni hen lele no lo wan lele ni je to bo egba we mo ri mi ma kan we wo egbe wan be ni anakukun ne wo ya kan e wa do boy tama wewe when you lenu no go ma ta we ju e opopo we awoni ju lenu no awon digo ni ju e go ma na gbon go ma no ni kai ije fine mnoji anything so we do wa ya fe wa wesi Salobo Adeba waya emi kemi yan wa me o agbanu wa o yekin wo zepe eni na wuni ya je gwa yeye na bere anon de shake bye.